Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to ask the question: how can you become a VIP on Binance using your laptop? Now, becoming a VIP on Binance offers several benefits, including reduced trading fees, higher withdrawal limits, and access to other exclusive services. And to become a VIP, you need to meet some specific requirements, usually involving a combination of trading volume and BNB holdings, that is Binance Coin holding. So I'm going to give you a step by step. Step one is to log in to Binance.com, which is the Binance website. Use your email or username and of course your password. And next thing you're going to do is hover over the profile icon. You see it in the top right corner of the page. Then to show you a drop down menu, from there you're going to select VIP. To access your current VIP status, you see what I mean is this: when you get into the menu, you see accounts. So account, click on account from there to open to VIP section for some versions. Next, once you see your current level, your account, if you're a VIP, you will see the current level and then the requirements for the next level. You see, Binance VIP program typically has two main criteria: 24-hour trading volume and BNB holdings. Now, 24-hour trading volume is the total amount of crypto you trade, both buy and sell, over the past 30 days. Then we have the BNB holdings, which is Binance also offers higher VIP levels for users who hold more Binance coin in their account. So you can check the VIP level and its requirements in the VIP tab in your account. The VIP levels range from 0 to 9 or higher depending on the current system. To become a VIP on Binance, like I said, you will need to meet the required 30-day trading volume. The more you trade, the higher your volume. So to increase your trading volume, engage in more trading activities like buying and selling various cryptocurrencies. Total 30-day volume will be automatically calculated by Binance. Now, how to increase your BNB holdings? Go to your wallet, click on Spot Wallet to check how many BNB you currently hold. That is Bitcoin, Binance Bitcoin you hold. Binance Coin currently hold. Once you've seen it, you can buy more BNB by navigating to the buy crypto section on Binance and purchase BNB with your preferred payment method if you want to boost it. You can also stake BNB in Binance staking programs to earn additional BNB and meet the VIP level requirements. As you trade more and accumulate BNB, Binance will automatically track your progress. Once you meet the required criteria for a high VIP level, your status will be updated accordingly. After reaching the required trading volume or BNB holdings, your account will be upgraded to the next VIP level. You receive a notification confirming the change in your VIP status. Once you become a VIP on Binance, you start to enjoy various benefits such as lower trading fees, higher withdrawal limits, exclusive services like special services, support, and other features like dedicated account managers. You can review the specific benefits for each VIP level on the Binance VIP page. Under VIP 0, which is no VIP status, you have the standard trading fees. Under VIP 1 to 9, to the higher levels, you have gradual reduction in fees, higher limits, and better access to Binance services. Additionally, Binance periodically reviews your account's trading volume and BNB holdings to determine if you qualify for a higher level. The main advantage of being a VIP is the reduced trading fees. VIPs get progressively better discounts as they advance to higher levels. Holding and staking BNB can help you enjoy additional perks such as reduced fees on trades and higher levels of access to Binance services. That's it. You've now learned how to become a VIP on Binance via your laptop.